Lawyers from the London-based law firm Stoke White have submitted evidences of alleged torture and human rights violations and war crimes committed by the United Arab Emirates in Yemen. And today we have Hakan Camus with us, the head of the international law at the Stoke White law firm. Mr. Camus, could you tell us about this case? What are you actually expecting from the authorities of the United States, the UK and Turkey?
Our submissions details highly confidential evidence that we've gathered talking to our clients, as well as conducting our own investigations as a law firm, bringing years of experience we have in this field. That is revealed to us in quite great detail that the war crimes have been committed. So we're asking the authorities in these countries to open up an investigation that will allow our clients to seek justice for what they have been subjected to, which is a clear war crimes committed against them by the UAE and the mercenaries they have hired.
Do you have links stating that the United Arab Emirates have actually ordered these crimes?
It's basically well-known knowledge that the UAE signs contracts with the mercenary private companies, mercenaries, and then gives them a list of people to carry out assassinations declared by one of the CEOs of one of the private military companies, mercenaries that's hired by the UAE. So we do have a direct link, and we have a clear evidence that accuses them of conducting these, and we're accusing them of war.